is going to teach you how to create a question in Google Classroom. So open your Google Classroom, click on Classwork on the top banner, click Create, and click Question. You'll be able to ask two different types of questions, a short answer or a multiple choice. Type in your question. I'm going to make the same question twice, so I'm going to copy it. You can add your instructions if you have additional instructions. You can also add something from Google Drive, a doc, a PowerPoint, whatever you'd like. I mean a Google slide, I'm sorry. You could add a link to a website. You could add a file from your computer, or you could add a link to a YouTube video. So you might say, watch this video and then answer this question. Read this article and then answer this question. So you have the ability to add any of these things to your questions. You can select more than one class, or you may differentiate and choose maybe your higher level students for one question and students that might need support for a different question. So you can differentiate by selecting the students that you like. You cannot assign it to more than one class and differentiate. You really have to choose one or the other. You can change the point value by either making it ungraded, or you can simply type in and change the points. That's up to you. You can choose a due date and a due time. Students will still be able to turn in late, but at least they will have a date that will show up on the tile of the main Google Classroom page and on the left-hand side. Otherwise, it might get lost and the students won't know they have to complete it. You can choose a topic if you already have one. If not, you can click Create Topic and create a topic by typing it in. I'm just simply going to pick a topic I already have. Students can reply to each other, means that they can, after they've already answered the question themselves, they can see everyone else's answers and they can reply to one another. It's actually really powerful to have them give feedback to one another. So by default, it's on. You might choose to turn it off, but giving each other feedback is an incredible skill to learn. Students can edit their answer. Yes, after they go and read everyone else's, they can edit their answer. That's up to you if you'd like them to go back and edit. When you're ready, you can click Ask or click on the drop down and you'll see Schedule, which will allow you to schedule it at a different date and time, and it will post automatically for you. I'm going to show you my other options. I can save it as a draft, or I could discard it. I'm going to click Save Draft. And you'll notice my question will appear under May 11th. I'm going to show you the multiple choice question now. So I click Create Question. I'm going to change it to multiple choice. I'm going to add my same question. I could add instructions if I'd like. You can add, again, something from Google Drive, a link to a website, something from your computer, or a YouTube video. So you might want to say, read this article, answer this multiple choice question, watch this video, answer this multiple choice question. That's up to you. You can only ask one question within Google Classroom. If you'd like to ask more than one question, then I suggest you create a Google form and attach it to an assignment. And you can learn about how to do that in some of my other videos. And here on the side, we do have some options like I discussed again. You could choose more than one class, or you could differentiate and pick specific students. You can change your point value. You can add a due date. And I always love to add a topic to keep things organized. And you have an option to allow students to see the class summary, which is just a bar graph of how many students chose each answer. For this, I don't think it's appropriate, but for something else, it might be. You can ask it now, schedule it, or save it, or discard it if you don't like it. So I'm going to click Save as Draft again, but if I want to ask right now, click on the big blue button, and you'll notice that I have two saved as a draft. I have something that's scheduled for May 12th, and then the ones that are posted right now, they turn black. So that's the difference of something that you've posted for something that's scheduled or something that's saved. You can always open any of them and click on edit material and post it when you're ready.